Hey, hey, hey. Who do we have here? LaYakFishing.
Uh-oh.
See if we can find some sheepshead.
I made my way all the way to South Carolina to find me some sheepshead. Ryan said he's gonna put me on the fish.
We'll see. Oh, they're here.
Found the sheep.
Yes, got the skunk off. He looks like he might be short. And he is just over 13. Too small.
Nice. First sheep. And he got the flash.
Found him.
Where they at? Right here?
Right there.
Yeah, boy, easy there. We found him. There we go. Got him.
Got him. Get the net. Hey, look at this. Did it. First two fish for 13.
Unless you want to measure it, but
I trust you. Well, you can pinch the fin, but
it's too close for comfort. That's awesome. I mean, we both caught some and only been here for like 30 minutes.
oh, that's a good one. Oh, what is it? Red. We said if he's over 20, he ain't over 20. Oh, he is 18 and a half.
18 and a half inch redfish.
Yeah. Ain't 20 though.
The tag?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Nope. Ugh.
That's crazy.
Damn it. Catching everything.
Yeah.
It's got like no teeth. It's probably a redfish. Yep. It's crazy having the drag all the way tight. And, hey. Hey, we got double hookup. No tag. Exact same size. Probably the same fish.
Do they call them toad fish? Do they make a sound like a toad?
I have no idea.
Because you just made a sound like a toad.
We'll go with that. Toad. I think this spot might be all toadfish. Yes. Yes. Mission accomplished. We put Kevin on some sheepshead. If we were trying to catch toadfish, man, we would have tore them up. But still a good day on the water, still fun. Next video, or next time we go fishing, I'll be on the boat. Try to find some bull reds and hopefully some big speckled trout, maybe a big flounder. All right, later.